Take two. Sorry, I just had to fix up the internet connection. So that's what that was about. Good day for the crypto investors, as it has been for the last week. I'm just going to have a quick run over the coinmarketcap.com and see where the market's sitting at the moment. So we've got an overall market cap of 157.6 billion, fairly steady over the last 24 hours. It's nice to see. Bitcoin sitting 4,332. It's been trading sort of up to 4,400, just a touch over, and then taking retracements at that point. Seems to be its cycle at the moment. It's down 0.67% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum's done well. It's up another 3.3% to 347.92 per coin. So doing well on Ethereum. Let's have a look what else we got here. Litecoin's been a big winner for the Litecoin lovers. So it's up almost 20%, 18.91% in the last 24 hours, and it's at $61.82 a coin. That's pretty high. That's as high as it got. A little higher than that, around $63 a coin, I think it was. And it's taken slight retracement from its highs, but really good growth there on Litecoin. Good coin, good tech. Yeah, so it's been pretty good. Neo's up a little bit at $38.66. I am waiting a bit longer to see if that dips before I try and get back in there. QTUM had some good games after we spoke about it recently, and that's sitting at $15.49 a coin. Lisk has dropped slightly in the last 24 hours, only 0.1% over the last 24-hour period. It's trading at $6.64 a coin at the moment. Just having a look down here now. Steam's gone down a bit, $4.25. I quite like Steam long term and short term really. $1.43, I think it's good buying. So I like Steam. Just going to quickly run down again. Golem's coming back a bit, sitting just under 31 cents a coin. So good growth there, 3.51%. And a couple that I've had a look at recently, I'll go PIVX of course. PIVX is sitting at $3.04 at the moment, so we've actually retraced a little bit, 1.26% in the last 24 hours. We have been as high as about $3.20, so good gains though. In the last 7 days we're up probably 50%, so really good week for us at PIVX. One coin that I was asked to have a look at by one of the contributors to this channel was district0x. So I took a look at that coin. I really like it. So I don't know if Xiao's around at the moment. I haven't really actually. I didn't publicise that I was going to come on and have a rant, so might not get as many viewers as usual. But I had a look into district0x for Xiao and the trading platform Binance, and it was pretty interesting actually. I really like it. It works around governance by districts. So different districts are created by interest groups or I guess marketplaces revolving around similar interests, and those marketplaces are governed by the members within that district, if you like. I thought it was a really clever take on governance by consensus. I had a look at the economics of it. There's a 600 million market cap. Circulating supply of the coin. So, yeah, at a $78 million valuation, I think that's a little low for a coin with this potential. It's a pretty revolutionary take on it. So, I quite like district0x. It's trading at 13 cents a coin at the moment, and I actually had to sign up to Binance to get it. Binance.com, I think it is. So I jumped on there and grabbed some this morning actually at around the 13 cents mark. So it just looks like a good time to get in for me. It's only available on that one exchange, or maybe one other. I can check it for you. Let me have a look here. But I did notice that it's already got like a wallet set up on Bittrex. So for me that says that they've probably got plans to bring it to Bittrex at least. So yeah, raid, A-Dog raid. Okay, A-Dog and mates are in for a raid. Very clever, A-Dog. How you been, brother? So Are these all guys interested in cryptocurrency or what? Are they more into the video games, mate? We're talking about district0x. It's a cryptocurrency. Pretty cool one. So yeah, there's 2 million of volume going through there, despite the fact it's only on a couple of exchanges. I'm just having a look now, trying to find which exchanges it's on. I definitely know it's on Binance. That's a big one, but it's actually an Ether trade. A-Dog raid. You got some cool stuff going on, A-Dog, I'll give you that. Very creative, young fella. Very good. I like it. Okay, so yeah, district0x is one that I definitely liked. After being tipped into it by Zhao, one of our contributors here at the channel, I took a look. I really liked it. I've bought some at 13 cents this morning on Ether trades over at Binance. So if you go and have a look over there, make your own decisions, of course, but it is a very, very interesting take on governance by consensus by districts. I really like it. So yeah, that's what I had a look at today. That I was asked to by Zhao. And Zhao, thanks for putting me onto that one, because I think long term that could be a good one. Let's have a look at some others. I'll bring up my Bittrex account and see how we're looking on ones that we've been keeping an eye on. Yeah, cool. That's really interesting. I'm just going to bring that chat up. One of our contributors just brought something up about Bittrex being a mistake for district0x. So that's really interesting. Thank you for the information. I'll just try and bring that chat up now. Won't be a second. And we will... Okay, Bittrex was a mistake, but since wallet there already, a vote on network was had and listing should go forward. Cool, that's interesting. I'm not really sure what you meant, Manny Rosenberg. That's cryptic. Crypto talk, not cryptic talk. I don't really understand that one, I'm sorry. Yeah, catch you later, A-Dog and friends. Thanks for coming in and raiding the chat. Little Groms running amok on YouTube. I love it. Good on you guys. Yeah, so... Yeah, just taking a look at my Bittrex account now. I'll just log on so we can have a chat about some coins there and see how they've gone. I got into Vertcoin and I got into Elastic. Now, the funny thing is, after buying Elastic, I don't want it anymore. That's my honest assessment. I spoke to a developer. He said, nah, no point in a decentralized supercomputer. Computer power costs nothing. That's his opinion. So, yep, he didn't like it, and now I don't either. So I'm just having a log on now to have a look how we're going. Yeah, my thing's steady. Can US buy from Binance? I'm not sure. All I did, you can set up Binance with a, I'm assuming you can, because all I just set it up using my Hotmail address, like my email account, and it was that simple. Like, you go on, you register, you choose a password, obviously. You can use Google, I think, to do two-step, or your phone to do two-step authentication. And then you literally just buy some BTCs. Yes, 2 BTCs, limited unverified. Yeah, that's exactly right, Thomas. I noticed that as well. Thanks for contributing. Yeah, it's actually an Ether trade, is that right? Did anyone else actually find a BTC trade on that? Because I only found the ETH trade over there. But yeah, you just open up a Binance account like you would any other trading platform just by using your email. And you can duck over there and put some Ether in and do the... I know you can at least do the Ether trade to DNT. I'm not sure about Bitcoin to DNT. I couldn't find it. So, yeah, interesting. Just have a quick check on that chat. Yes, yep, cool. So, hey, Slicekeeper, how are you? Yeah, so let's have a look at a couple that we have been keeping an eye on. PIVX, yeah, it's steady, doing well. Lisk, let's have a quick look at Lisk. See its Satoshi price and have a quick look. It's taken a bit of a retracement. It's sitting at just above the 150,000 psychological support. Is that Zhao? I thought I saw Zhao pop up on the screen then. Hey Zhao, we were just running over district0x and Binance actually. So thank you for the tip. I like it. I like district0x. Cool concept. You know, the consensus by districts. Really, really clever. So thanks for that tip. Hey Cranky Pete, how you going? Welcome back to the chat. Yeah, so we just had a quick look at district0x for those of you who have just joined the conversation, and thanks to Zhao for bringing that one to my attention because I quite like it. And I went over and they have a big marketing team. Good to know, man. Good to know. I kind of read through that and I had a look at the economics of it. I didn't really get onto contacting devs or marketing teams or anything. I'm sad I didn't sell at 25. Yeah, but long term, Zhao. Long term. I bought some at 13 this morning. We'll see how we go. I mean, it could retrace from there. You bought it 2 and bought it 5, still holding. Oh yeah, cool. No, that's good buying. Well done. I bought it 13, so you've done better than me, but I still like it. Like, I had a look at it and I thought, you know, I think it was 600 million circulating supply on the coins. And I thought, yeah, well, that could be easily a $600 million company with what they're setting up there. You know, sort of, it's kind of like marketplaces specific for groups and they govern themselves. It's pretty cool. And that's just like one concept that this could be used for. So I like district0x. It's pretty cool. I actually picked up a few, not heaps, like a couple of $100 worth. 10x from ICO price in 2 weeks or so. Well done, Joe. Well done. Did you get it at ICO? No, you said you were buying it down at... Yeah, so... Well done to get onto that one, though, in the market. Yeah, I saw that. We were just talking about how it got listed onto Bittrex. It's actually... There's like a wallet there. I'll just do a quick check because one of our other contributors just said, no, it's not quite there yet. And I agree with that, but because you can't actually buy it or anything. But there is sort of like the template for a wallet there. If you do a DNT search on Bittrex, it comes up. So yeah, just to close out Lisk is sitting at 663 as the bid, 665 as the ask. So they're renewing the application. Let me just catch up on the chat there with you, Zhao. They're reviewing the application. Reviewing, okay, cool. That's at Bittrex, you mean, I'm assuming. So that's interesting. Yeah, I like it, Zhao. I thought it was a really cool take on governance by consensus. It's still, like, it separates people by interest groups and by, I guess, business groups or things like that rather than by geography. So it's a really cool take on districts. I like it. Yeah, so I could see that being a $600 million company valued at $1 coin one day. Why not? Maybe even more if it's really, really successful. So yeah, speculative money, I'll have a crack at that. I'll put a couple $100 in. I don't even think it was that, like 200 Australian, so, you know, 150 US roughly. So not a lot of money, but I thought I'd give it a crack. Yeah, we'll see how we go with that one. Pretty happy. So I'll have a look on Bittrex, see what else we're looking at, which is pretty much the ones I'm keeping an eye on because I've bought them. Let's see how Vertcoin's going today. It's taken a retracement again. I'll just see where it's sitting. I think I've bought this a little high, but long term I do like it. I just should have waited for that retracement. It did have a big run up, so I should have waited. Yeah, it's look, it might be finding support there. We're just seeing a little candle out the bottom. Let me have a look. Let's see what we can find here. It's definitely still on a downward trend, but if you go back to the like if you go back on the charts to just before the, where is it? I'll just line it up here. It was on the 25th of the 8th. That's when it dipped before going back up again, and it was lining up around the 19,000 Satoshi mark, and that's where it is again now. So lining up those points of support across the board, if you're into Vertcoin, we're sitting at 84 cents and 19,000 Satoshi. It might be worth a look. We have seen it above $1, and it is a good coin. It has better features than Litecoin. It has proof of work, which is very, you know, draws less power. It's a modified algorithm for the mining, so it's not as power hungry and supercomputer hungry, I guess, as Bitcoin. So I really like Vertcoin going forward. I actually have plans to contact the team there and see if there's any work they need done. Once I've got some time freed up, I'm all tied up at PIVX at the moment, of course. Yeah, I picked some up. Oh, you missed the list change, yeah? That's a bummer, man. Yeah, I did well on Lisk, obviously. You've been at these chats for a while, so you know I've done well on Lisk. But yeah, Vertcoin I think's good. We've talked about that a lot. I'm going to try and start mining it as well. Yeah, and we'll see how we go. But at 19,000, I just like lining up those points of support from a few days ago when it dipped down there. So it might be a good time to get in. Like, make your own decisions, please. We know how this works. It can retrace another 50%, another 20%, as I said with Lisk. So please do make your own decisions. But there are points of support lining up there. If you look back a few days ago, it's around the 19,000 Satoshi mark. And that's where we're at now. So for me, good buying. Yeah. People talking about the next now. Let me have a look. Just make sure I got all that chart. Yeah, people are talking about is the next Neo when ICOs start appearing and they're rebranding in the next days. Yeah, I've heard that, Zhao. Heard about that rebranding. Yeah, look, pump yes, but I always, you know, it's not really a pump if it consolidates, I guess. So, yeah, there's been a lot of talk about that. Has anyone heard of what the actual rebranding is going to be too? Because I knew about AntShares moving to Neo long before it happened. Someone had told me it's going to be called Neo, and they actually corrected me on one of my Steemit articles, and that's how I found out about it. So I was just wondering if anyone knows. Like, I quite like Lisk. I don't find any info about Lisk rebranding. Yeah, no, I couldn't find any either. There's a lot of rumour going around about it, and usually when you get this sort of talk going around, it does tend to have some basis. Not always, as we know in the crypto economy, but there's enough talk around this one that I think, yeah, maybe it's legit. Only is a German company working on it since March, and it ends this August. That's on the rebranding. I'm guessing you're talking about. They're a marketing company doing the rebranding. I'm just assuming. I'm not sure there, Zhao, if that's what you're talking about. I don't think the whole team's... Yeah, cool. I was going to say, I don't think the whole team's set to leave. Antonio was quite the win. I have learned Ether is the hold for ICO. Yeah, I use Ether for ICO as well. Thomas, I do the same thing. Elastic up 10% today, you're already profiting. I am, Zhao, but did I tell you I don't really like Elastic, brother? I don't, I'm sorry. You know we're not going to agree all the time, and that's cool. You know the funny thing is though, I've bought Elastic and I'm profiting from it. Let's have a look. I have actually already sold 20% off at profit. And I'll tell you why. Yeah, you saw the video. Okay, thanks. I don't need to repeat it then. That was just one person's opinion, by the way, Zhao. So if you like it, brother, go with it. You know, we don't have to always trade on the same things. So I'm selling out of mine as it clicks up there. I'm like, yeah, man, you do your thing. That's cool, Zhao. We're not always going to agree. And when we do, we can hammer it in together. And we can be confident because we both agree. I don't agree on this one. Picoin we did agree on. In fact, we both agreed that we should probably leave it. And I think that's actually had some gains. So we both got that one wrong. But, you know, we've agreed on some coins and disagreed. This is one we disagree on. That's fine, man. It's all good. I'm just having a look where it's sitting at the moment. Yeah, 14.4%, so it has had some good gains. I've sold out a bit of mine already. Just going to see where it's sitting at the Satoshi price. I mean, that's the cool thing though. Like, I got in on the chatter and I've made money already. If I sold out now, yeah. So actually, it looks like it's coming back from a bit of a dip. If you have a look at the charts, it's pretty good. So 51 cents at the moment. The bid being 11,750 and the asking 11,800. Yeah, it's not one of your long terms calls, yeah. Yeah, I think it will go up because people are getting into this, but you know, that whole explanation from my developer friend just put me off it a little bit, man. So I never bought a lot of it to start with. I'm literally holding 40 coins. 50 coins, sorry. Not a lot. 25 bucks or something. Yeah. Do you think the altcoins based on the popular platforms like Ether or Neo or Lisk will do good? Yeah, well that's... Yes and no. See, for me it doesn't necessarily have anything to do with the platform they're based on. It's to do with what those currencies bring as value addition or additional value proposition to the crypto economy. If they're garbage coins, it doesn't matter whether they're based on Ether, Ethereum, Neo or Lisk. It's the quality of the coin itself. That's my personal opinion. I think there's definitely potential for coins to suffer if the platform doesn't do well. So vice versa, if you like. So if Ethereum doesn't do well, for example, coins based on Ethereum might suffer as a result, like OMG. I'm not sure what that means, Slice Keeper. Yeah, so that's my personal opinion on them. First ICO in Neo is Red Pulse, first ever, and it's getting a lot of hype. It's for sure a low risk, high reward. Interesting. Cool, we'll have a look at that one. You're really on top of things. So, yeah, we'll definitely get in and have a look at that. What was it called? Red Pulse. I'll go and have a look at it. I've not checked it out. That's a new one for me again, Jiao, so I'll go and have a look at it. It's in ICO, is it? I think that's what you said. Yeah, I do, yeah. I've done a bit of ICO investing. I've done quite well. So I do like to get in early if I can, and I've actually been invited to invest pre-ICO in Event Chain. The creator of Ethereum is working on it. Yeah, cool. That's Vitalik you're talking about, Slice Keeper. The guy is genius. I haven't bought much in ICOs recently just because I've been busy. ICOs on Binance. Yeah, so there's Binance is an interesting platform. I won't talk a whole lot about it till I've had a bit more chance to research it and use it a bit more. But it is certainly an interesting platform. They're kind of like doing ICOs off the Binance platform. They do have their own token as well. I just have to research it a bit more before I'm going to feel qualified to talk about it. So going back to ICOs that I have invested in, I got into ZR coin, Zirconium, at ICO because I really liked the project. I got into Encryption at ICO because, again, I really liked the team and I really liked the project. I worked with David Copesell myself. What else did I get involved in? Monaco I got at ICO. And as I said, I've been, I think I got Minex, is that what it was called? Minex at ICO. I don't even know if that's released on the market yet. There's a couple of others, but I can't remember. I have to go and check my notes for all of them. But, yeah, the ICOs are interesting. They seem to raise a lot of money. Like, if I was going to be opening up a business that needed some venture capital, just brand it as a crypto and put it out there. Got to get BNB coin, crazy flashes, crashes, but fun. Yeah, it is. Own token. Didn't know that. Yeah, so, I don't know, I like investing at ICOs. I think that's where there's good money. So yeah, as I was going to say, I have been invited to invest pre-ICO for the first time in my crypto career. I've been invited to invest pre-ICO into Ashton Addison's Event Chain, and I'm seriously considering it. I think it's going to go well. Let's have a look. All the ICOs he entered, the minimum was 2x price. Yeah, it's really interesting, and especially when you get these bonuses at ICO level as well. So there's a couple that'll open, you get in early, you get like 30% bonuses on your coins. You're essentially, picking up 30% just for getting in early. It's a good market if you do your research. My main thing is the teams there. If you get in on the teams and well, there's three things. The teams, the project they're working on, and what value proposition does it add to the crypto economy. Eternity, that was another one I got into. I just remembered that one because that was a while ago that I invested in that. And it's only at like phase 3 now. It's nowhere near I don't think we're near the market yet. I'll have to check that later. It wasn't a huge investment for me, but I really liked the team behind it. I think now if I'd chosen, I may not have invested in that project. TAS, I didn't even know what it was about 4 or 5 months. Jow, you're a cheeky investor. What do you mean you didn't even know what it was about? You were throwing money into it. Well done. On instinct, like we talk about. Well done. Yeah, 4 or 5x, good. That's what you want. I had 10x on ZR coin. I should have sold some of it, but I didn't. Now it's back down at like 10%. Do a quick check on ZR coin since that's one we're keeping an eye on. See how old ZR coin's going. I'll just bring up a coin market cap again. I've got tabs going everywhere. Let's have a look. I'll just type it in because it's down the charts a bit. ZR coin. $1.53. I'm down now. I bought them at $1.55 at ICO. Oh, I did get some bonuses though, I think. Yeah, I'm sure I did. I got like 15% bonuses in my coins. No, I can't remember. Point is that if you do get those bonus coins, it's just like, it's free coins, free money. It's good. You can put them on the sell wall if you want and make money straight away. Let's have a look. Vertcoin. Yeah, Vertcoins we had a look at. Let's have a look at Elastic and see where it's sitting, because we were keeping an eye on that one. Yeah, cool. That's interesting. I'd rather just do it myself. Yeah, I don't need people doing my research for me. Like, no offense to the guys who are... Yeah, I mean, have a look at hedge funds and have a look at superannuation funds, and they're not... Their returns are not that impressive, to be honest. I can do better myself. So I fear the same thing with going into any token that's based on someone investing dividends and profits for me, because quite frankly, I can beat those guys year on year. So why would I let them use my money? Yeah, so let's have a look at Elastic. Yeah, it is sitting at 51 cents. We did have a quick look at this. It is actually starting to creep up a little bit. So if you're interested, it might be a time to get in. Me, I'm looking to sell out as it goes up, which it will, hopefully, based on the hype. What else have we got here? Steam. We can have a look at Steam. We had a look at that. There are a couple others that that I found that were pretty interesting, actually. I'm just trying to find out where they are. Let's have a look. You know, TA, I think it broke the downtrend. TA, which one's TA? Not sure which one TA is. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean by that, Jer. I don't know TA. Sorry. Technical analysis, market chart. Sorry. Yeah, okay. So whenever you say TA, I always get confused with it. Sorry, I should have known that from last time. You know, TA, I think it broke the downtrend. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. There's a lot of manipulation in a lot of these markets. We did talk about that. Even honestly, pretty much any coin is manipulatable. Even Bitcoin would be manipulatable by someone like really wealthy. They could easily manipulate that price. They don't have to be super wealthy, but it is doable. So yeah, you do have to be careful of that, but you can also take advantage of those pumps that are going to occur. If you get in early, like Xiao's done on a couple by the sounds of it, you can wait for those pumps and have your sell orders already set. And, you know, like we were talking about yesterday, if you're going to make 3x and you set 33% of your sell, your coins that sell, you can't lose. If it hits that sell, you've tripled up, sold a third, put you back to even, and you hold the other 2/3 on market. See what happens from there. It's a fun little tactic to try with some low value coins. Oh, exclusive coin. We'll have a quick look at that, because that's one I'm thinking about, but I don't really talk it. Xiao, it doesn't matter, bro. Do it in Portuguese. We want to see you on YouTube, man. Do it in Portuguese. Or, I don't know. We'll come and listen to you, bro. It doesn't matter if your English isn't perfect. Anyway, let's have a look at exclusive coin, because that's one I've done quite well on. I've been trading in and out of it. And I've done quite well just trading in and out, because it's been on a constant uptrend as well. Just going to have a quick look where we're sitting with that one. Taking a dip at the moment. 28,123 Satoshis. It's actually, the bid is 27871 and the ask is 28726. So there's a bit of a spread there in the bid and the ask at the moment. It's about a 1.5% spread. But we're sitting at $1.22 in terms of fiat. That's awesome. I bought it down at as low as 50 cents. I started buying, bought some more at 80 cents. So been trading in and out a bit and just doing well with that one. So Exclusive Coin's got that really limited circulating supply of 4 million, and it is a masternode coin that you need 5,000 to run. So what would that be? 80,000? Yeah, 80,000 masternodes in existence ever. Is that right? Have I got that right? I think I have. Yeah, I think I have. Ooh. So it's not a lot of masternodes to be in existence ever. I like it as a coin. Yeah. So I picked some up. I've just been trading it. I don't have huge amounts of exclusive coins. It's more of a fun one for me, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. I've been doing well on it. So actually, I might put in some buys on that right now because I did sell out of some. It went up. Well, let me check. I'll tell you what I sold at because I just did another trade on this. Yeah, so I sold at 299998. So right before 30,000, and it's now 27. It did get as high as like 32,000 almost. So yeah, I think it's not a bad coin for trading. It does have pretty good swings and it's on a constant uptrend at the moment. So for me, I like it. Yeah, so that 29,000 I can go back in right now and buy it off the buy book at 28,000, which is not a huge gain, but still, gain's a gain, right? So good sell there from me. I can work on buying that back now. I won't do it live. You guys don't want to see me do that. That's going to bore you. So I'm just going to go back to the chat and see what we've been talking about. Who cares? Got some cool stuff to share. I ought to vote for Zhao. Yeah, I really think you should get on YouTube, Zhao, honestly. I also have ideas to help Fish Grow's channel. Oh, thanks, bro. Actually, we've got some pretty cool stuff coming up with my channel. This is all proof of concept stuff. I'm very much a social media noob, and I've got some tech people who have come onto my team now. So we're going to be sorting some stuff out and hopefully get some really good production values, even an intro to this little crypto chat we have. It's all just in the pipes at the moment. So we'd love to have any feedback, Zhao, from you, and anything that you think can help improve the show. And let's get Zhao on YouTube. Maybe we can do an interview, mate. Cross-channel interview to get you started on YouTube. Because you do have good research. You do have good information. I'm going to go against you on Elastic Coin. Told you that. But I like district0x. I do. And I don't mind Binance. You know, it's a cool little trading platform that you've put me onto there that's only got a limited number of coins at the moment, but you know, I couldn't find anywhere else to buy district0x. I think there is one other, like YoBit or something might be doing it, but yeah, so you are a very informed person, and I think you should definitely get on YouTube and add to the discussion. If not, I'll just keep taking you in my comments. That's fine. You're helping me out. But no, I agree with Cranky Pete there. Get on and make a channel, mate, because you got good info. And unfortunately, my time does get more and more taken up with my actual marketing activities and my work with PIVX. So my time that I did have once upon a time to sit here for 12 hours a day and research the market has gone. I don't have that sort of time now to invest in all sorts of different coins and research. So yeah, I really think someone like you would be a very, very strong addition to the crypto reporting team on YouTube for sure. So think about it, Zhao. We'd love to see you on here. You can do it in Portuguese, mate. We'll get translators up there for you. IOTA. Yeah, IOTA's got a lot of talk around it. Yeah, see a lot of support for you. Even Thomas is tuning in, so get into it, Zhao. Yeah, IOTA I don't mind just because of the chatter around it. I still haven't had a really, really good look at it. I've been told it does fix pretty much every problem that Bitcoin had. It's a really good adaptation of the protocol. I still have to have a look at it myself to be making an informed comment on it. It's one that I really wanted to, but it wasn't available on district0x. I'm going to check now, see if it is. And I might even... No, I won't check that platform yet, but... Let me just check IOTA, see if it's actually on here yet. Yes, it's still not on here. That's really annoying. It's one thing that annoys me about the... Yes, thanks, Slicekeeper. It's one thing that annoys me about trading crypto is like you find a good platform that you're happy with, and yeah, I think it's a great niche. Yeah, get into it, man. Get into it. I've thrown my full support behind you. And there's plenty, like, you know, I know Brazilian is not Portuguese as such. We were talking about this the other day, but it's like people from Brazil are going to be able to understand you, right? It's a big market there, mate. So get into it. I forgot what we were on because I just changed it. Yeah, IOTA. Yeah, sorry, I was on my rant about not getting all the coins on all the exchanges. I hate having to go from exchange to exchange to exchange to exchange to find some coins. Even PIVX. Like, Poloniex has had, I think, 5,000, 7,000 requests from people putting in for PIVX to be listed on their site, their exchange, and for some reason we're just not on there yet. So, I mean, we will be in time. We're getting trade volumes of $3 and $4 million a day now at PIVX. They're not going to ignore that forever. I'm hurt I can't get IOTA. Man, Sizekeeper, me too, because I wrote about this on Steam when IOTA first hit the market. And I think my article was called I Have No Coins, Not One IOTA. And it was my rant about how I couldn't get any IOTA because none of the trading platforms I was on were offering it. So it is a bit of a problem with our emerging market that we do have to jump on from trading platform to trading platform to find our coins, and it can be a pain. Let's see what Xiao says. There's a lot. Yeah, exactly, Xiao. It's a good point. Xiao's just made a good point that there's the coins are not being easily added now because of legal issues in the US. So yeah, that is an issue, and as you can see, there has been restrictions and even firming restrictions on cryptos being traded in the US. So I'm going to blame Trump. I don't even know if he's got anything to do with it. I just tend to blame him for everything these days. Only markets like Yobit, Nova Exchange, Cryptopia add all the coins. They don't care. Yeah, cool, Xiao. Good point. Yeah, I reckon it is a bit lame. Sizekeeper. It's annoying, man. It's just you want to get those coins and you got to dance from exchange to exchange to get them. Thanks, Trump. Yeah, let's just buy Trump. Trump, I know you're watching. I know Donald's a big fan. G'day, Donald. How are you? Mate, can you let us know why you're doing this to our cryptos? I just wish Trump tweet to buy Bitcoin. Can anyone hack his Twitter account? Let's do it. Just get on there. Trump says to buy PIVX, actually. Let's do that. No, actually, I don't want him associated with PIVX. I don't want his money. Let's get someone good. I like Branson. Let's get Richard Branson to tweet it. He's an entrepreneur with a lot of money. Co-Coffee coin. I haven't seen that one. Is that an actual coin? Co-Coffee coin? Let's go have a look. Have a quick look for you. I haven't researched it. I just want to add it to the list if it is one. I can't find it. Are you pulling my leg, Sizekeeper? I think you are. Alright. Oh, Trump tweeted that once. Really? That's funny. Oh, he's entertaining, isn't he? Oh, he's just a barrel of laughs. I sat here, it was so funny. I had a French housemate, Leo. Leo, how are you, mate? I'm sure you're watching too. Along with Trump. But, yeah, at 3 AM, cool. Yeah, I was having discussions about the election coming up, and Trump had just announced that he was running. We sat here and pissed ourselves laughing, to be honest. Me and the French guy. And then as it got closer and closer, I said, it's not going to happen, mate. Can't happen, surely. And he sort of said the same thing. And then his visa ended in Australia. He went back to France. And then I just get this message like the morning after the election or after the result. And he's just like, you said this couldn't possibly happen. I said, we both said it couldn't possibly happen. But it did. Cranky Pete. I love it. Cranky Pete says Trump supporters will want to build a wall so Ether can't get in. So true. Maybe we should get Trump over at Chaincoin since he's an expert at building walls. Get him to teach Max a thing or two. Sorry. Oh, jeez, that's funny. Alright. I'm going to... crypto chat / Max / Trump chat. I'm going to have to change the name of this discussion. Travel ban for IOTA. Okay, I tweeted Trump. Alright, good. Okay, let's get Trump tweeting about PIVX. No, not PIVX. Let's get Richard Branson tweeting about PIVX and Trump. He can tweet about Bitcoin if he wants. Oh dear, good discussion, good fun. I'm going to have a look at some of those coins you guys have suggested. I still had one from the other day. A couple of them actually. I've got a list going. It's just for me to actually be able to put any sense to the talk at all. I've got to do some research on it, and it does take time. So please keep the suggestions coming, but just don't get too angry at me if I don't get to it straight away. I will definitely get to it, and my own team is actually building. So Zhao, we've talked about this. Yeah, man, drop your projects, man. Drop your coins. Send me we're on Slack together, man. Just send me a list over on Slack, and I'll have a look at them. Just the ones you really like, though. I don't want to list everything. The really, really top ones that you like. Give me a list. I'll go have a look at them. We can have a chat. Because I think Zhao has some really good research that's benefiting everyone who's watching these little crypto chats. So, yeah, please, Zhao. Hit me up over at Slack, man. And Johnny Crypto can... yeah, cool. We'll have a look at them. Hit me up over there. I'm going to tune out for today. I'm going to go get some lunch. I'm hungry. We talked about a few coins. The market's doing well. The simple thing is to do your research. Whether you're getting in at ICO level, whether you're getting in at early market level, or whether you are looking to get on the back of something that's taken a big... you didn't research about it much, but it seems good. Cool. 8x is at ICO. Well, let's put that on the agenda for tomorrow, because 8x is one that's interesting. So let's get 8x. I'll do some research on that this afternoon for us all. And it's like BAT. Okay, we'll have a look at it. So 8x is on ICO, I think. I'm going to go research that this afternoon. I'll be back with Crypto Chat tomorrow morning at hopefully around 11 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's the time frame I'm going for. And we'll discuss more about ADEX tomorrow. And I'll try and get some more info on those other coins as well. But ADEX tomorrow, definitely. So I'll do some research on that this afternoon. Thanks to all the regulars who came in for a chat. It's good to see you guys all again, and I hope you're all doing well. Hope you have a great day today. I'm going to go and get some lunch and maybe even get in the surf, because I've only surfed once in the last 2 weeks with this cold. So I really am keen to get in the water. There's about 3 foot of swell on the Gold Coast at the moment, so perfect for me to get back in. I'll catch up with you all tomorrow. Happy investing, stay informed, and we'll see you for another Crypto Chat at 11 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Take it easy, frothers. Fish out.